Hi everyone, welcome back to the Node.js series. And today we are going to discuss one more important topic, which is the global variable in Node.js. Okay, we will discuss these global objects in both of the way, old way where we use the require kind of way, right? And another is the import way. So let's discuss. Okay, so what is a global object? So generally node.js provides some variables globally, right? You do not need to import those variable explicitly in your file to use. Okay, so there are two variables, that is a underscore underscore directory name which tells you about the directory. Okay, very simple. Okay, example console.log underscore underscore directory name. We will see in in this example in VS Code as well. Okay, so it will returns you c colon slash project. It means it will returns the complete path till your folder. Okay, what is a common use? So let's say you have some file. Okay, and you have some file in your folder. Let's say name folder is a data folder, and under the data folder you have one file user.json. Now you want to use this file in now yeah in now you want to use this file in some file so that you can do some calculations based on that file. So how you can get that file? uh, this is the way, like const file path path.json directory name data user.json. So what it will return, underscore directory name will return the entire absolute path slash data slash user.json. Okay, so it will be the complete file path. Okay, and file name generally returns the complete file name. Okay, returns the absolute path of the current file. Example, this differences you can see, underscore directory returns the directory path, underscore file name returns the file path. Okay, and a very high level, both of the variables underscore underscore file name and an underscore underscore directory name doesn't support in new modern way, that is a ES module. Okay, instead of this we have one method, that is a file URL to path. Okay, which is supported. So let's go quickly to the VS code to see all the things into the action. Okay, so for that I have created one file, global object demo, and here I'm going to important things. First I'm going to explain you the two object, that is a underscore underscore file name underscore underscore directory name. So for that, as I said, it is not supported in new ES module. So what we will need to do, we need to go to the package.json and we need to remove this, right? All right, save and global demo dot all. So I am going to here console.log to see the directory name. Okay, here we can see absolute path of the folder, absolute path of the current folder, absolute path of the current folder. So let me run node and global. Yeah, so here you can see that it returns what? Absolute path of the current file is C user Rahul Pundir, and this is my locations. Okay, and it returns the global object demo.js. So it returns the complete current file, and if we talk about the directory, it will returns the till folder. Okay, let me go here. It will return till folder. So here you can see the differences. It is returning till section 2, it is returning till file. Okay, so this is the example of the global object in the old way. Okay, so let's say in real scenario what happens, you have this test.json. Let me create, give some name, test.json. Okay, okay, so you will need to access this test.json sometime, right? So I have given in capital, let me give in a small. Okay, so what happens where or const you will need to do uh, no, I'm in a wrong place. Control save. I'm not giving anything for now. Let me const and here path equal to require path. Okay, and now I want to find the complete this file test.json. So how we can do this? Just add path.join underscore directory name. It will give the path till section 2, and now you need to join with test.json. Here you can add the json. Okay, so it will returns the complete path to you. Okay, let me run. Let me comment this lines to unnecessary printing, and let me run here. Okay, so here you can see absolute path of test.json. So here you can see the entire path. Okay, this was the real example of that. Okay, and let me give an example keyword here. Okay, so this was the old way how we can use the global variables. Okay, now let me go to the new way which is used nowadays only. So let me add first here sorry mod module so that it can support the ES module. And now we have one method, import file URL to path. That is a file URL to path, and we have another function directory name inside the path. Okay, so now how you can read the file name and directory name? So this is the way. File URL to path, you just need to pass the file URL to the path. Let me check the parameters again here. Yeah, all right, so this is the file URL to path. It will returns the file name to you, and once you receive the file name you can get the full directory name of that particular file. Let me print both of the things here to double check. Console.log. Okay, so let me run. Okay, so yeah, here you can see that absolute path of current directory is section 2, same result as we have seen previously, and same for the file. Only the difference, it returns till path till the file, it returns path till the folder. So what we have learned, we have a global object in nodejs. Okay, in a old way we have a two object like underscore underscore directory name and underscore underscore file name, and in new ES model we have a method file URL to path which returns the file name and directory name. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.